Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be demonstrating the strategy live. That's the new strategy what I made in my channel by using VWAP and moving average. Okay, so as you can see Indelco has formed a short pattern here. So when the stock goes below this candle low, I'll be selling it. That is 236.25 is a low. So once it goes below this, we will be shorting the Indelco. Okay, so if you're not yet watch the strategy link in the description below of this video. You guys can watch the strategy link to know the strategy in better. I have explained in depth. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. You need to add a VWAP and a moving average with 50 period in the weighted type. Okay, so here as you can see the selling formation has been formed. That is the moving average is in the top and VWAP is below that, and the red candle has formed below the the red candle has been formed below the VWAP. So once this candle breaks its low, we'll be selling it. So almost it's coming down, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'll be recording again once our order is triggered. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go inside my channel and watch all the videos and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things regarding stock market, intraday trading. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also if you're new to a stock market, if you're having loss in the stock market and want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. So all the details are in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. Here you can see earnings and feedback from my client after taking the course. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly. You can see all of these things with the proof here in the ledgers earning proof. Okay, so you can go through all of this, and if you're interested to make money constantly like this in the stock market, you can definitely join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also here you can see feedback messages from my client after taking the course. So these are all the feedback messages what I've got. So you can go through all of this one by one, and if you're interested to join us and to make money constantly, you can definitely join us now. And also if you join my course, these are all the benefits and advantages what you get. So once you join our course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique strategies where you need no indicators. Also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital, and also you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. Also I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. And also we will be keeping almost 0.3% of the stock as a target. So guys, as you can see, it's now coming near to the sell. Okay, so as I said, you 236.25 is a point where we need to sell. Now it's still at almost around like 237.85, so we are still a 1 rupee and more far. So let's wait for it. So stock market is all about the patience and all about following your system and strategy. Okay, so we still wait for it. As I said, our first target will be 70 paise, so let's wait for it. Okay, it's yet to trigger our sell order right now, so we'll come back to you once the orders are triggered. So guys, as you can see, the low has been broke and we are almost reaching the target. So as I said, you will be selling around this level, that is 236.25, and now the stock is trading almost around 235.05, and as you can see the stock is still moving down. And as I said you that time, our target 1 would be 70 paisa and target 2, that is 0.5%, would be 1.17 rupees. Okay, so as you can see, both the target has been done in the live way. So as I did you the live demonstration of this strategy, as you can see the strategy is working fine. Okay, so this was just a live demonstration on my new strategy what I have done. So if you're not yet watched the strategy, you can check it in the description below of this video. I've given the link. Okay, so in that link you can see the strategy of this video and learn from the strategy. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you want to learn more accurate strategies and make money constantly, and how to learn how to make money constantly in stock market, you can join my course, and you can message me on the number displayed on screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.